Okay, I'm back. If this doesn't work, I don't know what else to do, but let me try it. Okay, it's turning on. And let me turn on my monitor. And the moment of truth. Let's see if I get a Windows login here. Look at that. Windows is on. So it wasn't the M.2 that was the problem. Uh, it's actually the problem was the fact that I didn't have the driver for the Intel Arc. And keep in mind that this is a brand new motherboard, so I gotta log into my my Wi-Fi here so I can connect to it. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this works. Okay, so I'm in my Wi-Fi. See if I can get back in here. So, let's see here. Plug into this. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so looks like I have to install Intel Arc for some reason. So that's just to install the new drivers for the motherboard. Actually, I'm gonna select all. I'm just gonna update. Okay, so I'm gonna let it download that, and I'm gonna run Cineplex, Cine branch on this to see if the cooler is strong enough. Hit start. So that's gonna take about 10 minutes to run. I'm gonna take my HW monitor, see what the temperatures are like. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Right now, my CPU 75 degrees, and it's an 8-core processor, 7800 3XD, and It's about 45 megahertz for all 8 cores, so that's pretty good. Some of them go up to 47. And my RAM is 31 degrees. My NVMe is 44 degrees. My GPU is about 50 degrees, so the fan's on and off. So far so good. I'm running Cinebench in the background, so this will kind of stress test it a little bit to see how high the temperature is. So I'm gonna monitor as that's going. Let's see what else I can do here. Test. Just gonna do a speed test. It's a Wi-Fi 6E. So let's see what this baby can do. 3 ping. It's about 500 megabytes right now download speed. I think that could be because there's others using the network right now, so it's gonna not be as fast. Upload speed is about 700 megabytes. That's not bad. For 6E. Just check this to make sure it's actually on 6E. Well, it's on the 5 gigahertz right now, so it hasn't connected to the 6 gigahertz yet. Sometimes it's like an automatic thing, but 6E I find is a lot faster. It's still stress testing it. It's at 76 degrees now. So for a cooler, for like a small Noctua cooler like that, that's actually really good. And the GPU fan is up and down. It's around 50 degrees right now, so it's not bad. Alright. So I'm gonna conclude this video with the Cinebench results here and the temperature on the CPU. So like, I don't recommend building a budget PC. You want to get the best value and try to invest a little bit more in the CPU than go with a budget CPU. Everything else can be budget, but at least you want to, like, to maximize your dollar, you want to basically you know, get the best CPU you can afford, and yeah, so just try to get the best CPU you can afford, and you can actually, you can have like you know, the motherboard, the RAM, and the CPU and the CPU cooler as an ITX motherboard. You can put it into any PC thereafter. So I'm gonna let Cinebench run, and I'm gonna show you the results to conclude on the video. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and the Cinebench is still running. There's lots of drivers that are being downloaded right now, so it kind of just stopped on me. So I'm just gonna conclude the video that the 7800 X3D Cinebench is higher than the 3900X. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.